Hello there. Here's your 3 tips on how to do not worry. I would like to share to you this verse in Philippians chapter 4 verse 6 to 7. It says there, don't worry about anything, instead pray about everything. So first one, you need to pray. What does it mean to pray? To pray means to acknowledge that there is a God who is in control, all sovereign, and who is above everything that you are experiencing. That's why in second sentence it says there, tell God what you need and thank Him for all He has done. So what does it mean to tell God and to thank Him? You need to process. To process your emotion, your feelings, and your thoughts. And ask God, Lord, what do I need? I need your help, I need your guidance, I need your wisdom. That's why in verse 7 it says there, then you will experience God's peace, which exceeds anything we can understand. His peace will guard your heart and minds as you live in Christ Jesus. This is the last steps. You need to let Christ's peace to guard your heart and mind. It means to be at peace is to leave the result and your situation to God. Okay, Lord, I am praying to you. I acknowledge that you are good, faithful, all sovereign. I need your wisdom, your guidance, and direction, and I let your peace to control my life.